Hey, thank you for joining me for another episode of Hustle and Heal podcast for mental health professionals looking to grow in business. I am your host, Jeremiah J. Rankins. I'm a licensed professional counselor out here in the state of Texas, and I help mental health professionals level up, scale their business, and um, really help support small businesses. And so I wanted to share with you all real results from a campaign that I had cranked up. And it's for the Your Guide to Immigration Evaluations group and those who have already signed up for Your Guide to Immigration Evaluations. But I was thinking to myself, you know what? Let me just make it public. And whoever wants to try it, they can try it. And so I made it public to where anybody who was interested in doing this campaign with me, they can join in. And so I'm about to show you. I only send it to like 5 people. Okay, I only send it to 5 people. But you know what? Those 5 people, they opened up the email, and I'm going to show you these results. Okay, I'm going to show you these results. I was trying to see if I can actually get the live on my other PC. It's not working, but I'm going to trust the process. Okay, let's get into it. All right, I'm going to share my screen with you all, and we're going to go to. We're going to head over to my campaigns. This is the actual email that I sent out. It was different from the email that I had. It's a little bit different from the email that I had instructed everybody else to send out, but that's perfectly fine. So I like to stay on brand colors, something vibrant, something that pops. Usually this would be a clickable link, but for some reason I chose not to do that. So immigration psychological evaluations. Immediately when you open up my email, you know exactly who I am and what I'm about. I'm a clinician who does psych evals. So I had wrote this in. I'm sorry. Let me remove this here. So I had actually put this. Trying to minimize that. There we go. So I had put this email in the Google Docs, so you could copy and paste it and use this as well for your emails. All you have to do is just switch up some things like your name, how many years of experience do you have, things of that nature. So this is the exact same email that I had instructed that you use for week 2. We're on week 2, and I added some other stuff. All right, so I wrote a blog post, a real success story for both the client and our country, and so this for from shadows to strength, and this is actually a clickable link that goes to my website. We'll go ahead and click on that real quick. And so whenever they clicked on that link, it brought them to this blog or this what I wrote, okay, based on true events. And it's like less than 4 minutes. You read it, boom, that's it. I want it short and sweet. Okay, so they can poke around, and all we're doing is trying to build trust. That's all we're doing. We want to build trust so they believe that we are competent, and we are. We are competent, we are qualified, and we are professional. We've got to build trust. They've got to like us. They've got to trust us. They have to know us, and then they'll send us the business. So that picture here is a clickable image. Then I have another link here where you can click on it, go straight to that blog. And then in the event that they just forgot what I look like and don't remember what I looked like when I went into their offices, I've got a picture of me, a good profile picture of myself. And so let's go ahead and look at the numbers now. So I sent out 6 emails, 1 came back. So maybe I put it in wrong, or maybe it's just a bad email. I'm not too sure. But out of the 5 emails that were delivered, 5 people opened the email. 5 people, lawyers, assistants, caseworkers at the law firm, they opened the email, and I got 4 clicks. So let's go to the clicks real quick. I don't know why it says 7 clicks, 7 clicks, 7 clicks, 6 clicks. I don't understand that. I really don't. I couldn't tell you. Okay, here it is. Here's the breakdown. So 2 clicks on my LinkedIn, 2 clicks went to my blog, 3 clicks went to my LinkedIn. So it looks like maybe 3 users clicked on these and 2 of them clicked twice. And then 1 of them clicked 3 times, 3, 5, 7 on that. So that's what I'm assuming. Those are those numbers. But here's the point. This is the whole point of the matter. I sent out 5 emails. Out of the 5 emails, 5 people opened those emails. Now think if I sent it out, and a lot of these were from the same law firm. But let's just say that they were from, I don't know. Let's just say that they were from, let's just say that I had sent out 50 emails to 50 law firms. You see how that works? 50 emails to 50 law firms means that I've got 50 touches. Like they saw my content, they clicked on my links, right? And so this is how you raise up your awareness, who you are. This is how people find you credible, trust you. And so the more emails you send, of course, the less likely they are to open them. Be mindful of that because they're going to be like, oh, that's Jeremiah again. He just wants us to send him some referrals. But the more value that you add in your email, the more likely they are to poke in and look at it. But they know what you're here for. Now, immigration evaluations, psych evaluations for attorneys, not all their cases need psych evals. So you need to take that into consideration. They have psych evals, they're just referring them to other people. No, not every case needs a psych eval. And so don't be offended if you don't get referred right away. The other thing that I would like to say is on week 5, we're going to ask very nicely and professionally to get put on their I said this earlier, their referral list. You want to get put on their referral list. That is the whole point. We want to get put at the top, preferably, of the email, of the referral list. I don't know why I keep saying email list. So, video less than 10 minutes. I just wanted to come on here and share this short bit of information and detail of how just real life numbers, where I sent out these emails, 5 emails were delivered, 5 people opened the email, 4 people or 5 people clicked on the links. It's good numbers. So, if you would like to join the email campaign, you still can. You'll be on week 3. That means that you'll only have 3 emails to send out. We would like to do 5. But the instruction is 5 to 10 lawyers, attorneys, or your potential leads. It doesn't necessarily have to be regarding immigration evaluations. I would encourage everybody to send out these emails. But let me be more specific. Immigration psychological evaluations and these emails, that's what we're doing. But if you have another client base, you don't have to use my emails, but I'm saying send out 5 emails, send out 3 emails 3 weeks in a row of whatever your content is pertaining to. So you don't have to copy and paste mine because it doesn't necessarily align with your company's values. But I want you to try. And you can do this with me, except for it's just different content in your email. That way we can just kind of follow along. You have you have an accountability partner. You've got someone to help you go through this process of you sending out emails. Do it the day that I send out my emails to my potential new leads. So this week, we sent it out yesterday, which is Tuesday. Today's Wednesday, so we sent out the emails Tuesday. We're going to send out the next round of emails next Friday. So in 2 days, it'll be Friday. We're not going to send out emails. We're going to send them out next Friday. So the frequency is science behind it. So make sure that y'all are following along. Make sure that you all are doing the work so you can get these leads and earn people's trust and business.